Hi everyone, I'm Hope with Dick and Hope's Magical Rainbow Garden, and today we're going to be spiffing up this area for fall and Halloween. This area started off cute in the summer and it had a lot of pretty flowers and some pretty plants around it, but those have long expired and it's full of leaves and it's dirty and it just needs to be reset for the coming season. So we're going to do some pretty plantings, bring in some fresh flowers, and our fall and Halloween decorations. Before we get started, we're going to need some new plants. So I head to Walmart to see what I can find. I had been to Walmart several times recently and hadn't found anything for fall that I liked. But on this trip, I was able to find some mums for under $5, some pretty petunias, and some fall grasses. These are purple fountain grass, and the tag says that they're perennials. I had some of these last year that died during our winter freezes, but we had extreme temperatures last year. I also bought some colorful zinnias. Even though we have tons of zinnias, these are shorter, and I thought they would look good around the porch. I also loaded up the basket with all the pumpkins we would need for the project. So here's a little overview of what the porch area looked like before we started. It was just really messy. There was absolutely no order to it. And I hate that green trim. It's always been planned to be black eventually. So that definitely needs to be changed. First order of business is to clear everything off the porch. There are a lot of plants up here, a lot of dirt, a lot of leaves. I did a little bit of weeding around the porch and just got everything off. As you can see, a lot of this stuff doesn't even belong here. After it was cleaned off, I swept it and then hosed it off just to give it a nice clean slate to begin working on. I decided to go ahead and paint that trim that's been bugging me for a couple of years. I have no idea why it was white and green, but it needed to be changed. When we moved into the house was white with green trim, and we painted it gray, but we just never got around to the trim. So I just finished that job up and everything looked a lot better. Next, I tackled cleaning the door. I used a magic eraser, I used window cleaner, I used alcohol, and I used nail polish remover, and nothing would take these scuffs off, so I ended up just painting it. Granted, it doesn't match exactly, but from a distance, it looks a lot better. About that time, Persephone and Rich got home from school, and they dove in to help. Persephone likes to help clean the glass, so she did that. Spraying is lots of fun. And then we started unloading the pumpkins that I had bought out of the truck. Next, Persephone and I did a project to decorate some of the pumpkins. Since they're going to be here a while, we didn't want to carve them and have them begin to rot. So while she was at school, I had cut out felt shapes for the pumpkin faces, and she had fun gluing them on and making her pumpkin. I knew she would want to make a girl pumpkin, so I made some shapes specifically that I thought she would like. And yep, those are the ones she went for. Her pumpkin has eyelashes and a big bow, and it's just lots of fun. So we ended up decorating several of these, and we thought that they would look really cute in our Halloween decoration. Once we had the pumpkins finished, Persephone took a break for a little snack, and I started arranging the planters for the new fall porch makeover. Rich filled the pots with potting soil, while Persephone and I got the flowers ready to plant in them. Persephone did a lot of planting this summer, so she feels pretty confident that she knows how to do it. She also wanted to make sure that she got on camera.
Put it right there. Put it, I was falling. Put it right there, okay?
Are you going to be a good planter?
I remember what to do.
What do you do?
Pat and first put dirt around and you pat.
Persephone and I worked on planting up the larger planters with the fountain grass and the red petunias, and I think they turned out really pretty. And then in the smaller planters in front of them, they still had a little sweet potato vine and creeping Jenny in them. And so we just added some of the bright colored zinnias to those pots. We took out the root ball of the plants that had previously been in the pots, and we just popped the zinnias right in the hole. They fit perfectly.
Me, put me.
I'm gonna put them right here.
Okay, what color? We've got...
I'm gonna put the yellow ones.
I love biscuit eating.
Look how much the soil has improved since our back to Eden method.
It really has.
It's gotten rich and
Yeah,
dark.
nice. You're getting brave about dumping them out, aren't you?
I know it's there.
Okay, hold on.
I can hold it strong and long as I can.
About that time I remembered that we had some cute little pots in the garage. So I went to get those.
Look at mine.
Look at your what? This is your pumpkin? Looks like a girl.
It is a girl.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
What is it?
They got bows on. We're decorating for Halloween. Hope!
These little pots look like small barrels, so we thought they'd be perfect to put the zinnias in and just place them around in the arrangement. Remind me again why we cleaned the porch before we started? Okay, so we're getting close to the actual decorating part, and we need to get a few more pumpkins out of the truck.
Wow, you're so strong!
No more pumpkins! No more pumpkins! I'm gonna stay in here!
The plants are in and watered, and now it's time to select what we're putting back on the porch and get it back in place. We put back a lot of things that were already there, and then along with the things that we put back, like our house plants that stay outside in nice weather, we added in some fall touches. I got these ceramic pumpkins at Goodwill for about $1. Rich and Persephone did a really cute job of arranging everything with the pumpkins kind of coming down the steps, and just a really nice layered look with the pots and some risers and the pumpkins, and it turned out really cute. So then after that, we started bringing out some of our Halloween decorations, most of which we bought at Goodwill or Dollar Tree. These little gargoyles I got at Goodwill. And then we made these signs out of our flower stand signs. We just flipped them around and painted trick on one and treat on the other one, and just let the paint drip, and we thought it looked really cute. And we tied these onto our porch supports, which actually made the whole place look a lot better, I think. Rich hung the spider webs around the edge of the porch, and I got out some things that I got at Dollar Tree. I got a sign that says beware for $1, another sign that says something about witches for $1, which is really cute, and I hung that next to a cinnamon broom that we got at Home Depot, and we hung up a wreath that I had made. I got this wreath form at Hobby Lobby, and then just decorated it mostly with things that we found at Dollar Tree. And so we hung that up, and I think that looked really cute as well. Here's a little look at what we accomplished. We think it looks a lot better, plus we had a lot of fun doing it. So let's look back at what the porch looked like before we decorated it, and what it looks like now.
There you have it. We decorated our front porch for Halloween. Did you like it? If so, tell us about it in the comments. If you hated it, tell us about it too. And please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.
Bye. But can I say something else?
What?
I'll see you next time.
Okay.